Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Friends, if you are planning to buy a skate and searching for the best brand, then this video is for you. Inline skates are a great way to stay active and enjoy the outdoors. They are also a great way to improve your balance and coordination. There are many inline skates on the market, so it is important to do your research before making a purchase. Some factors you should consider while buying inline skates include the type of skate, the size of skate, the brand and the price. So here's the video, and in this video I have shared the list of top 5 best skate brands in India. All these brands are available online. Please check description for latest price and discount. If you are new to our channel, then please like the video and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe.